Class 5 Mathematics Chapter 1 Numbers Part 5 हमारा टॉपिक है राउंडिंग नंबर्स. The way of expressing numbers approximately is called rounding off numbers. इसमें हम numbers के approximate value बताते हैं. Rounding off numbers to nearest 10. Let us take an example of 13. 13 lies between 10 and 20 and it is nearer to 10 as compared to 20. So 13 is rounded off to 10. If ones place is less than 10, it is rounded to 0. Like 52 is rounded to 50 because in ones place we have 2 and it is less than 5, so it is rounded to 0. So 52 is rounded off to 50. If ones place is greater than 5 or equal to 5, it is rounded to 10. Like 57 is rounded off to 60 because 7 is greater than 5, so it is rounded off to next higher number. So 57 will be rounded off to 60. Similarly, 75 is rounded off to 80. Rounding off numbers to the nearest 100. Consider 884. It lies between 800 and 900. It is closer to 900 as compared to 800. So 884 will be rounded off to 900. In general, if tens place is less than 5, it is rounded off to lower hundreds. Like 341 is rounded off to 300 because in tens place we have 4. So 4 is less than 5, so it is rounded to lower side. So 341 is rounded off to 300. If tens place is greater than or equal to 5, it is rounded off to higher hundreds. Like 373 is rounded off to 400 because in tens place we have 7, so it will be rounded up. Rounding off numbers to the nearest 1000. Consider 1240. It lies between 1000 and 2000. It is nearer to 1000 as compared to 2000. So 1240 is rounded off to 1000. In general, if hundreds place is less than 5, then it is rounded off to lower thousands. Like 1399 is rounded off to 1000 because in hundreds place we have 3 which is less than 5. If hundreds place is more than or equal to 5, then it is rounded off to higher thousands. Like 2810, it is rounded off to 3000 because in hundreds place we have 8 which is greater than 5, so it is rounded. Rounding off numbers to the nearest 10,000. Consider 18,240. It lies between 10,000 and 20,000. It is nearer to 20,000 as compared to 10,000. So 18,240 is rounded off to 20,000. In general, if thousands place is less than 5, then it is rounded off to lower thousands. Like 12,399, it is rounded off to 10,000 because in thousands place we have 2 which is less than 5, so it is rounded downwards. If thousands place is more than or equal to 5, then it is rounded off to higher thousands. Like 29,810 is rounded off to 30,000 Because in thousands place we have 9, it is greater than 5, so it is rounded upwards. Now let us start exercise 1.5. Question number 1. Round off the given numbers to the nearest 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. A. The number is 5,34,629. When we round off to nearest 10, we have to see the last two digits, that is 29. 29 lies between 20 and 30 and it is nearer to 30. So, 29 will be rounded off to 30. So, 5,34,629 is rounded off to 5,34,630. To the nearest 100, we have to see the last three digits, that is 629. 629 lies between 600 and 700 and is nearer to 600. So, 5,34,629 is rounded off to 5,34,600. In general also we can see that 2 is less than 5, so 629 is being rounded off to 6. To the nearest 1000, 4,629, it is between 4,000 and 5,000. Nearer to 5,000 because hundreds place is 6 which is greater than 5. So, 5,34,629 is rounded off to 5,35,000. To the nearest 10,000, 34,629 lies between 30,000 and 40,000. It is nearer to 30,000 because in thousands place we have 4 and it is less than 5. So it will be nearer to 30,000. That means rounded off to 30,000. So 5,34,629 is rounded off to 5,30,000. B. 65,21,921. First part, to the nearest 10. जब हमें इसे nearest 10 पे round off करना है, तो we'll see the last two digits, that is 21. 21 lies between 20 and 30, nearer to 20. 21 will be rounded off to 20, क्योंकि 1 5 से छोटा है. So 65,21,921 is rounded off to 65,21,920. To the nearest 100. तो हमें लास्ट के 3 डिजिट्स देखने हैं, यानी कि 921. 921 lies between 900 and 1000, nearer to 900. यानी कि 921 will be rounded off to 900, क्योंकि टेंस प्लेस पे 2 है और वो 5 से छोटा है. So 65,21,921 is rounded off to 65,21,900. Third, to the nearest 1000. तो हमें लास्ट के 4 डिजिट्स देखने हैं. 1921. So 1921 is between 1000 and 2000, nearer to 2000. क्योंकि hundreds की प्लेस पे 9 है, वो 5 से बड़ा है, so it will be rounded to 2000. So 65,21,921 is rounded off to 65,22,000. Fourth, to the nearest 10,000. तो 10,000 के लिए हम आखिरी के 5 डिजिट्स देखेंगे, means 21,921. So 21,921 is between 20,000 and 30,000, nearer to 20,000, क्योंकि thousands की प्लेस पे 1 है जो कि 5 से छोटा है. So 65,21,921 is rounded off to 65,20,000. C. 2,30,000. 56,109 to the nearest 10. To the nearest 10 के लिए हमें लास्ट के 2 डिजिट देखने हैं. लास्ट के 2 डिजिट में है 0 और 9. 0 9 मतलब 9 and 9 lies between 0 and 10, nearer to 10. क्योंकि 9 5 से बड़ा है तो ये 10 पे राउंड ऑफ होगा. So 2,56,109 is rounded off to 2,56,110. To the nearest 100 तो हमें लास्ट के 3 डिजिट्स देखने हैं यानी कि 109. 109 lies between 100 and 200, nearer to 100. क्योंकि टेंस की प्लेस पे 0 है जो कि 5 से छोटा है, इसीलिए ये राउंड ऑफ होकर 100 बनेगा. So 2,56,109 is rounded off to 2,56,100. Third, to the nearest 1000, उसके लिए हम लास्ट के 4 डिजिट्स देखेंगे, means 6,109. So 6,109 is between 6,000 and 7,000, nearer to 6,000. क्योंकि हंड्रेड्स की प्लेस पे 1 है जो कि 5 से छोटा है, इसीलिए 6,109 राउंड ऑफ होकर 6,000 बनेगा. So 2,56,109 is rounded off to 2,56,000. To the nearest 10,000, इसके लिए हम लास्ट के 5 डिजिट्स देखेंगे, मतलब 56,109. 56,109 is between 50,000 and 60,000 and is nearer to 60,000. क्योंकि thousands की प्लेस पे 6 है जो कि 5 से बड़ा है, तो ये ऊपर की ओर राउंड ऑफ होगा, यानी कि 56,109 राउंड ऑफ होकर 60,000 बनता है. So 2,56,109 is rounded off to 2,60,000. D. 79,23,473. इसमें भी पहले to the nearest 10 we'll see the last 2 digits, means 73. 73 lies between 70 and 80, nearer to 70. क्योंकि 3 5 से छोटा है, इसलिए ये नीचे की ओर राउंड ऑफ होगा और 73 राउंड ऑफ होकर 70 बनेगा. So 79,23,473 is rounded off to 79,23,470. Second, to the nearest 100, उसके लिए हम लास्ट के 3 डिजिट्स देखेंगे, means 473. It lies between 400 and 500, nearer to 500. क्योंकि टेंस की प्लेस पे 7 है जो कि 5 से बड़ा है, इसीलिए 473 राउंड ऑफ होकर 500 बनेगा. So 79,23,473 is rounded off to 79,23,500. Third, to the nearest 1000, तो उसके लिए हम लास्ट के 4 डिजिट्स देखेंगे, means 3,473. It lies between 3,000 and 4,000, nearer to 3,000. क्योंकि हंड्रेड्स की प्लेस पे 4 है जो कि 5 से छोटा है, इसीलिए 3,473 राउंड ऑफ होकर 3,000 बनेगा. So 79,23,473 is rounded off to 79,23,000. To the nearest 10,000, उसके लिए हम लास्ट के 5 डिजिट्स देखेंगे, मतलब 23,473. It lies between 20,000 and 30,000, nearer to 20,000. क्योंकि thousands की प्लेस पे 3 है जो कि 5 से छोटा है, इसीलिए 23,473 राउंड ऑफ होकर 20,000 बनेगा. So 79,23,473 is rounded off to 79,20,000. So this completes our exercise and it completes our chapter also. अपने अगले वीडियो में मैं अगला चैप्टर स्टार्ट करूंगी. Until then, bye.